Hey, welcome back to Offend You. I'm Michael Vaughn, and I've got a really cool story that I came across. This is huge. I don't. Scientists print first 3D heart using patients' biological materials. Yeah, you heard that right. Engineered heart completely matches the immunological, cellular, biochemical, and anatomical properties of the patient. All right, this was published April 15th, 2019. The source is American Friends of Tel Aviv University. Look at that. That's a heart they printed for somebody to use. Isn't that crazy? In a major medical breakthrough, Tel Aviv University researchers have printed the world's first 3D vascularized engineered heart using a patient's own cells and biological materials. Holy shit. So they printed a working heart. That is crazy. So my question is, when are we going to be printing humans? Are we going to stop breeding? Are we just going to print families? It's crazy. I might not read the whole article, but you can look at this up at ScienceDaily.com. It's one of the top stories. Until now, scientists in regenerative medicine, a field position at the crossroads of biology and technology, have been successful in printing only simple tissues without blood vessels. This is the first time anyone anywhere has successfully engineered printed an entire heart complete with cells, blood vessels, ventricles, and chambers, says Professor Tal Devere of TAU's School of Molecular Cell Biology and Biotechnology, Department of Material Science and Engineering, Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, and Sagal Center for Regenerative Biotechnology, who led the research for the study. So that's crazy. They can print a working heart. They can print, I would say, anything. 3D printing, holy shit. But I still have that question. When are we going to be printing humans and stop breeding? When will we print better versions of ourselves? Print our own children. That's just, ugh. That's just crazy. Heart disease is the leading cause of death among both men and women in the United States. Heart transplantation is currently the only treatment available to patients with end-stage heart failure. Given the dire shortage of heart donors, the need to develop new approaches to regenerate the diseased heart is urgent. Yeah. The heart is made from human cells and patient-specific biological materials. In our process, these materials serve as the bioinks, substances made from sugars and proteins that can be used for 3D printing of complex tissue models. That's crazy. That's blown my mind. Professor Devere says people have managed to 3D print the structure of the heart in the past, but not with cells and blood vessels. Our results demonstrate the potential of our approach for engineering personalized tissue and organ replacement in the future. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, if we can print body parts, this is going to help society. But in a way, I don't know. It's kind of scary in a way too, if you think about it. Printing humans, playing God. Research for the study was conducted jointly by Professor Devere, Dr. Asaf Shapira, sorry if I got the name wrong, of Tao's facility of life science in Nevada, and Dr. Earl. At this stage, our 3D heart is small, the size of a rabbit's heart. Okay, so they have a heart, but it's like the size of a rabbit, okay? But larger human hearts require the same technology. For the research, a biopsy of fatty tissue was taken from the patients. The cellular and acellular materials of the tissue were then separated while the cells were reprogrammed to become pluripotent stem cells, ECM. extracellular matrix, a three-dimensional network of extracellular macromolecules such as the collagen and glycoproteins were processed into the personalized okay, so yeah, I'm not understanding some of this, but so anyways, that's cool. I'm gonna end the video here. I encourage you to go read the article. That is crazy. Printing human body parts. Who would have thought? Like, subscribe, share.